Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Before we go into today's topic, if you missed out our previous video, you should definitely check it out. We will put the link at the description below. As I know earlier, today's topic is gonna be unusual things that has been banned or illegal around the world. People travel for many reasons. Some travelers want to learn more about the culture and cuisines of other countries, while others want to learn more about the history and nature of far destinations. However, if you like traveling around the world, it's always good for you to read some travel guides to learn more about the place you want to visit before the trip. This is because there are things that might seem completely normal and ordinary for you at your country, but it may be banned or illegal in other countries. Now, let's see what are the things that you have never realized were banned or illegal around the world. Number 1. Babies are not allowed to sit in the stroller before they start walking in Canada. A baby walker seems like a simple tool that can help a child to stay active, but the Canada's government has banned the manufacturing, sales and distribution of child's walker and scooters since 2004. This is because encouraging the baby to walk too soon can be unsafe to the baby. Therefore, the Canadian minister said that the safety of our child comes first, and he was happy to announce that Canada is the first country in the world to have prohibited selling walker for the baby's safety. Number 2. Chewing gum is not allowed in Singapore. There are few laws in Singapore that are unusual. One of it is chewing gum is prohibited from being imported into the country. People who didn't follow this law has faced fine up to 100,000 Singapore dollar and prison sentence. Before this law were introduced, it cost $150,000 annually to clean up the gums that has been disposed on the sidewalks and even on the seat of public transportation. Therefore, the main reason to enforce this law was to keep the country clean. However, certain chewing gums are allowed for medical purpose. Number 3. France government limits the using of ketchup in school cafeterias. Many media outlets have said that France has an agenda against the ketchup, but it's not true. The goal was to serve dietary meals to the kids and also to encourage the kids in France to have healthy and traditional French cuisines. Besides, the school cafeteria has all the rights to serve ketchup only with French fries for once a week and to reduce the amount of fat in the food served to the kids. Number 4. Strip clubs are banned in Iceland. Iceland prohibited business from profiting from employee nudity in 2010. This directly applied to strip clubs, making Iceland the first country to prohibit them for non-religious purposes. Number 5. Western men's hairstyles are banned in Iran. According to Iran government, Western hairstyles such as ponytails, mullets and long gel hair for men are not allowed in their country. The authorities even publish a catalogue with illustration of haircuts you can get. Besides, tattoo and shaving have also made illegal in Iran because a beard of Muslim men is sacred. Number 6. Keeping a goldfish in round bowl is not tolerated in Rome, Italy. It is illegal to keep a goldfish in round glass bowls in Rome, Italy. This is because keeping a goldfish in this type of bowl is considered cruel. According to the scientists, since the bowl restricts the animal's oxygen supply and can cause blindness. So, remember, if you have a goldfish as a pet, do not keep it in a round glass bowl. Number 7. You are not allowed to dance in public in Sweden. You can't dance in street in Sweden unless you have official permission, which you must apply at a special institution. So, it is illegal to follow the beat of any music even in the tiniest tap of food at Sweden. Number 8. Companies in Japan face fines if their workers are overweight. Companies and local government in Japan must measure their workers' waistline if they are between the age of 40 and 74. Accordingly to the national law passed in 2008, you will be given dieting advice if you meet the government mandate limits. Therefore, companies and government organizations can face financial penalties. Number 9. Slippers are banned in some regions of Italy. There are fines in some parts of Italy for wearing the wrong shoes. In Park of Liberia, for example, visitors are not allowed to wear slippers. For breaking this law, you might face fines ranging from $50 to $2,500. This is a safety precautionary because rescuers often have to assist people who have gotten themselves into trouble due to their shoe slippery soles. Number 10. No black cars in Turkmenistan. There's a misconception in this nation that black color represents bad luck and white color represents happiness. This is why, as of 2018, black cars have been banned. Owners who have purchased black cars before the law went into effect would have to change the color of their vehicles. That's all from us. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you find it interesting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also press the bell button so you'll never miss out any interesting and informative facts from our upcoming videos. Until then, it's bye from us. Ciao!